everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. I am sharing with you guys another one from the Nouveau Collection from Jon Renau. This is for Mimo Wigs, and this here is called Mariah. This is in the beautiful shade Laguna Blonde. This is from the California Blondes collection. This is the more, I would say, yellow color in the California Blondes out of the four. And Mariah is a basic cap wig. All of those from that collection are your basic machine wefted wigs. And I'm really excited to share this hairstyle with you guys today for Mimo Wigs. Okay, so let's talk about Laguna Blonde a little bit, and then we'll move on to this style. So the code for Laguna Blonde is FS24/102S12. You have your light natural gold blonde with pale natural gold blonde bold highlights. And it's shaded with light gold brown. I do like that this is shaded, especially because you do have that basic cap, so you do have some permatease going on up here in the crown. Now, I just barely pulled this out of the box, so you do have a little bit of synthetic sheen. You can use some product on that, and then after wear, the sheen does go down. Now, with a machine wefted basic cap wig, the price point does go down as well, so that's something to be mindful of. Usually you can obtain really beautiful styles that are basic cap for lesser cost. Now, the Mariah wig by Jon Renau has long layers and loose waves. You have this stylish curtain bang going on right here, and because you know, it's machine wefted, it doesn't have a lace front, you could really part it every which way to meet your needs the way that you'd like to style her. She came with it parted this way, so that's how I had it coming into the video, but really you know, you could do whatever you wish. You could trim them up and have them more front facing if that's what you wanted to do. But I do feel like the bang is ideal on a wig like this, because then you don't have to worry about that blunt edge. So that's how it's described, is you have layers, waves, and a curtain bang. Let me do a full turnaround of Mariah so you can see these waves and these layers from all angles. The total weight of Mariah is 4.9 ounces. I can tell that it's lighter on the ends, and then it is thicker in the middle, and then has some density up in, you know, the cap, because you do have that permatease. Now, the permatease is there so it gives you the silhouette and the shape of the style, but it also helps hide and camouflage your base construction. Okay, let's take this off and show you guys the underside. You have this very soft velvety front area. It's nice and comfortable against the head. And then you have wefting up at the top. And of course you do have permatease where that wefting is, as you can see. It looks like it's been kind of teased up in the roots. And look how pretty those waves are. See that gorgeous Laguna Blonde up close with that gold blonde and pale natural gold blonde. It's very, very pretty. And then that darker root. I love the cut, and I love these waves. It's very pretty, and the length is gorgeous as well. Okay, let's put her back on. The front of Mariah is 5.5 inches. Your side is 12.5 inches. Your crown is 11.5 inches. And your nape is 13 inches. So this is considered a long wig. Not extremely long, but you know, you have your longer lengths. You'll want to use a wide tooth comb on these fibers. It's a lot more gentle and will make them look better for as long as possible. These beautiful waves are baked into these synthetic fibers, so you'll wash it, shake it, let it dry, and it will maintain these beautiful layers and waves. What are your thoughts on Mariah by Jon Renau? You guys can find this style and many other wigs and brands over at Mimo Wigs. You can use the code Amber's Amigos on many styles and brands over there at Mimo Wigs. But on Jon Renau, you'll have to keep watch for their specific sales. You'll want to sign up for Mimo Wigs, the newsletter, so you can be notified of any promos and specials that she has going on. I will have all the links down below for Mimo Wigs, for this here wig, and any links and codes will be available. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this color and this style, and your thoughts on basic cap wigs as well, and permatease. I know a lot of people, some people don't mind permatease. They like it. They embrace it. They like the price point. And then others are like, no way, Jose. So let me know your thoughts. Comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. And thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Give me a like and subscribe if this was helpful. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.